Good morning. Today we're going to continue with area of three other shapes: squares, rectangles, and trapezoids. So the squares and the rectangles are still base times height. Area equals base times height. And the base in this square here is 5.6, and the height is 5.6. So when you multiply those together, you get that the area equals 31.36. This next problem is the same thing. Area equals base times height. And we have area equals 9.1 times 11. And so the area equals 100.1 when you multiply those together. Now, trapezoids are a little different, so stay tuned for that. To find the area of a trapezoid, and a trapezoid has two parallel lines, two parallel sides, and then the other two are not parallel. So if you notice, the top and the bottom of this trapezoid are parallel and the other two are not. That makes it a trapezoid. It's a quadrilateral. And the formula is the height times base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2, or 1/2 height times base 1 times base 2, plus base 2. So what you're doing is you're finding the average of base 1 and base 2, and that would be, in this problem, the height would be 5.6, and then the average of base 1 and base 2 would be the 22.4 plus 6 divided by 2, and that's going to be equal to 5.6, and 2.4 plus 6 is 8.4 divided by 2, which is 5.6 times 4.2, which is 23.52. So the area equals 5.6 times 4.2, which is 23.52. Now in the next one, we're finding what's missing. So we have the formula. Area, that's a trapezoid, is, and I'm going to put the 1/2 in the front, times h times b1 plus b2. And I know that the area is 28.8 equals 1/2. The height is 4, but we don't have both of the bases. B1 is a question mark and B2 is 9.7. So this is going to be a little bit harder to do, but we can handle it. So we got 28.8 equals 2 times B1 plus 9.7, because 1/2 times 4 is 2. Now when I divide by 2, I get 14.4 equals B1 plus 9.7, and I subtract 9.7 from B1, from 14.4, and I get 4.7. So to find the area of a rectangle, it's base times height. So area equals base times height. And we know that the base is 5, but we do not know the height, and we know the area. So these are easy. You just divide by 5 on both sides, and you get that the height is 5, the missing piece. Same with this one down here. We have the area equals base times height. We know the area is 49.5 equals 11 times the height. Divide by 11. And we get that the height is 4.5. Now, we've just been told that tonight is a Jewish holiday. It's the beginning of Passover. So we are not having any homework tonight. I am uploading a sheet, but if you notice, it's not due until 2 days from now at 9 o'clock. So you can do it today before sundown, or you can do it tomorrow, and you will not have any additional homework tomorrow.